Okay, and welcome to my video. We're going to take this opportunity to look at a 2019 Summit. It's unit number 5595. Its designation is 40 CKCL. Has a 5-foot patio door, 24-inch house-type rear door, blue siding, white shutters. Not much to show around the outside. It's maintenance free with 35-year architectural shingles on it. It's got over the roof hurricane straps, tornado straps, tie down straps. It's triple axle and it's roughly 14.5 foot tall. Again, this is a 2019 Summit. 40 CKCL. So let's go on inside and have a look around. It's a nice open floor plan. We built this one with an extended dormer. Got a ceiling fan, nice big kitchen, 30-inch 5-burner range, 30-inch microwave. You got a built-in fireplace, rocker recliner, sleeper sofa. Everything in these stays in them. What you see is what you get. End table and the lamp. There's drapes. There's mini blinds on every window that you can reach. Heading on in, there's some hall storage. Actually, quite a bit of nice storage here. Makes for a damn good linen closet slash. There's a linen closet back here too. It's got the gray aspen plank flooring throughout, with carpet in the master bedroom and loft only. There's the flooring I was telling you about. Master bedroom. Mirrored wardrobe. Queen bed. Bedspread. Got 7 drawers in the wardrobe. In the hall is the 56,000 BTU furnace. Shower slash tub, toilet, already seen the linen closet, 24-inch back door, house type, rear entry door, in swinging, that's a bonus. About the only thing left to show you is the loft. It's roughly a half loft, third to a half, but it's a nice big upstairs. Definitely at least 2 king beds would fit up there, if not more. About half the trailer, so that's nice. It gives a nice openness to the rest of the trailer. Okay. Well, thanks for looking at my video. This is a 2019 Summit 40 CKCL. Have a great day.